Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, we're going to tackle a common frustration in Power BI: date format errors in Power Query. If you've ever imported data only to find your dates aren't being recognized correctly, I totally get it. This issue can cause all sorts of downstream problems in your reports and dashboards. But don't worry, by the end of this video you'll know exactly how to fix date format issues with confidence, ensuring your data is accurate and ready for action. Let's jump straight in. Imagine you have a table loaded up in Power BI and one of those columns is supposed to have properly formatted dates, except the numbers just aren't lining up into recognizable dates, or maybe they've all imported as text. This happens a lot when your data has different regional date formats, like day month year instead of month day year, and Power BI gets confused trying to interpret the values. So first things first, let's head to your table view and find the troublemaking column. Just take a moment and right-click on the column header that's giving you problems. Now what we want to do next is edit the query responsible for bringing this data in. So from the menu that pops up, select Edit Query. Don't worry if this takes a few moments to open, especially if you have a large dataset. Power Query Editor might take a little time to launch. Once you're in Power Query Editor, you'll see your table along with all its columns again. Go ahead and locate your date column and right-click it one more time. Now you might be tempted to just change the column type to date directly, but here's the important trick. If your dates use an unfamiliar format, simply changing the type might give you errors or nonsense dates. Instead, choose Change Type, and then instead of the standard options, select Using Locale. This little option is powerful because it allows you to specify exactly how Power BI should interpret the data. Think of it like teaching Power BI to speak the same date language as your data. For example, if your dates are in the UK format, you choose Date for the type and the English United Kingdom locale. If they're in the US format, select English United States, and so on. Take a moment to pick the right locale to match the actual pattern in your data. This step is crucial for ensuring those 12/11/2023 dates turn into the right day and month. Once you've applied the changes, don't forget to hit Close and Apply up at the top left. This tells Power BI to take your newly interpreted dates and bring them back into your main workspace. Depending on how much data you have, this might process for a few seconds, so just let it run. After that, your dates should be showing correctly, and you'll avoid all sorts of annoying calculation or visualization errors that stem from misinterpreted date fields. And that's really all there is to it. Just a few extra clicks using the locale option, and you're well on your way to cleaner, more reliable data. If this video helped you fix those frustrating date issues, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really supports the channel. If you run into any hurdles or have specific questions about date formats or Power BI in general, just drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. And of course, hit that subscribe button so you never miss another useful Power BI tip. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.